Hey y'all, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you where to put the washer fluid into your 2007 Ford Edge and similar vintage Ford Edges. Let's get right to it. All right, so you're going to start by popping the hood over here on your driver's side, and you are going to come under here, look for this lever right here. Just going to pull that, and that's going to release your hood latch, and then you can come under right above the Ford emblem, and you'll see a lever like this, which you're just going to flip and then lift up your hood and get the kickstand into the right spot. It might fit in some of the other holes there, but you want to get it there so it's most secure. Okay, now I'll show you where to put the fluid. There's a couple reservoirs here, so you want to make sure you get the one with the actual windshield with washer fluid logo on it. This one here is your coolant, and this over here is your power steering. So you want to not get those. You want to be sure you put the right fluid in the right spot. So that's just pops open like that. And I like to use that hose there. Grab my washer fluid, and you know, do your best to keep it from spilling if you can, and not getting other dirt and junk in there. So I'm using the green stuff from AutoZone. Kind of good stuff here, but it's summer, and I really don't like bugs caked on my windshield, so I'm using the bug remover, as you can see there. And you're just gonna fill it up to the top. You can't, the only way you really problem with overfilling is that it just spills out. So you don't wanna overfill and spill it out everywhere. You can see that level coming up in the tube there. And there it is, topped off, boom. Done, right to the top. Yeah, awesome. So that's it, and you just close that and you're good to go. Thanks for hanging out with me on this video again today. Remember to like and subscribe, and remember, you got this.